Don't miss the Mods Team Mega Open House this Sunday, August 3rd from noon to 2 p.m. And it's listed by Megan Andrews Atkins, and it is at 109 Miles Avenue, Northwest Canton, Ohio, 44708. Sunday, August 3rd from 12 to noon again is the open house. Beautiful brick Perry Township bungalow, $225,000. As soon as you enter the home, you'll notice the beautiful fireplace in a large living room that's very comfortable. And then a large 14 by 15 first floor master with hardwood floors. And the second bedroom on the first floor is even large. It is actually 12 by 13. And then upstairs you have a third bedroom with a large bonus room, 12 by 25 attached to it. That could be a gaming room, a playroom, an office, a private living room, whatever you want. It could be a nice paradise up there for someone. And then actually the kitchen, it views a private backyard, shot of the dining area. The big basement equals like expansion room or storage there. And then beautiful patio that's off the large breezeway right there. Big private backyard, yet a convenient location. I mean, when I talk about big private backyard, that is nice. And then the actual convenient location there is shown right there from overhead. And then it has a nice attached garage there. And it is, again, mega open house this Sunday, August 3rd from noon to 2 p.m. The first showings begin here on this brand new listing, 109 Miles Avenue Northwest, Canton, Ohio, 44708, Perry Schools, $225,000. Don't miss it.